For example, you want to be one, you are having good education by this time. A lot of UPSC you have worked with the things. For giving some kind of the relaxation to the system, I am saying, okay, you do not have that kind of a knowledge, but you have some good knowledge. Now you want to participate in the political system. You are aspiring to become one leader. Now how to? Now how to? It's not a bad thing that you want to take part in the policy making. You want to represent people. It's not a evil wish or bad wish or something like that. It is a noble wish rather. So what you are doing, what you have to do, you have to go with the ladders. Firstly, putting your name in some kind of the party, you have to include yourself. Maybe you have to start from the student politics, then you have to go with the meeting, fitting, etc. Being the commoner, then slowly you are going to be get elevated step by step. Okay? I am talking about the majority. But if one from the Neta or the minister, his son want to take the entry into the politics, would it be the same? Be honest, the procedure. Why? Because of the, in Marxist language, I am interpreting the things, keeping Marx in the mind, because of the private property. What is private property? My father, my grandfather was a political stalwart. Okay? So that is my private property. So now I am encassing that. Now if you want your son or the daughter to be in the politics, you have to create the private property. Being one politician. Private property, not on materialistic form, I am saying. In that particular proportion, I am saying that you have to make it. So Marx is saying that means what? Defective mode of production. One certain section of the people has pocketed the most of the things. So from there, the capitalist is, Marx is going to say capitalist is everywhere. So the base is important. Over that the legal and political institutions, religions, morals, etc. would be there. Right now. College is teaching you, school is teaching you, your preschool has taught you, or your society has taught you that you have to become one engineer. You have to become one engineer, you have to earn one good money. If you want the respect in the society, you have to do that. But what do you expect that I am not taking anyone's name, that the big rich industrialist, whether he would think like that? If you would be, don't castigate your guardians. You put yourself in that place of your guardian. Now think, would you advise to your children not to become this? Because the subsistence wages concept has entered in your mind. You are not identifying it as the subsistence wages. So Marx is giving the clarion call. For that reason, Marx is saying there are only two hubs, no other hubs. That through their ideology, what they are going to say, you are middle class, you are lower middle class, you are upper middle class, you are poor, you are total BPL. So division of the society. Marx is saying have or have nots. Whether you are having the control of the means of production, yes or no. If the answer is yes, that person is belonging to your have class. If it is no, then you are belonging to the proletariat class. All the proletariat should be get united together. Then give a push, it will be the revolution against the minority by the majority. Automatically it is going to be get zeroed to the land. But this division, the division between this, other than the capitalist class, multiple divisions are there within us. So the strength is fragmentary. So with that fragmented strength, you cannot fight with them. Through their ideology, they have went like this. When you are going to read Gramsci, you are going to get these things, the role of the ideology in some better form and better order. What do you think? That one industrialist, top industrialist son would like to become one engineer and work as one engineer? Then if your answer is coming no, then what he would think, or his parents are going to think about his future, what to do? To become the owner of all the engineers in his company. বুঝতে পারছি কি পাচ্ছি না? But that the society has entered in your mind, you have to become engineer, you have to become doctor. Have you seen any industrialist, top industrialist son would be thinking to become one civil servant? Your dream job? Nobody would think. This is for the proletariats. Marx is saying, get rid of this thing. Worker class. We are all the workers class. We should be getting united. Firstly, make yourself united within the nation. Then automatically it is going to spread all over the world. So Marxist ideology is the worldview. We have started the class with that.